Hello and welcome to another episode. This week we are installing a bed into the van. We're going to use the IKEA SKORVA beams with their associated brackets. So here you see me lining up the first of the brackets upside down. This is just so we mount the beams as high as possible so the mattress can go full length across the width of the van. So I'm first of all putting in some not even pilot holes, but just making a mark where I want to drill the 3 holes. And then once these 3 are marked up, we get rid of the bracket and go full send with the drill. Then it's a case of getting the riv nut gun out, pop the riv nuts in. Jobs are good, and then the bracket goes on with a bolt and a washer. 3 bolts and 3 washers technically. And then we did the same the other side. I'd actually drilled the holes and put the riv nuts in the previous week when I did the flooring. And that's the first beam in, tested with my weight. Now we're marking up where we want the next one just by holding the wooden slats across. And the same process follows. Just drill the 3 holes, put the 3 riv nuts in, and then bolt the brackets on with 3 bolts and 3 washers. And then these beams have been in storage for a bit of a time. The person I bought them from had them for about a year and they decided to go a different route with their bed. So they were fairly well seized, but a bit of WD-40 and a gentle persuader, and they started to expand out nicely. So then again, we used the wooden slats to measure the gap for the next beam. Again, pop the brackets in, drill the 3 holes, put the 3 riv nuts in, put the bracket in with 3 bolts and 3 washers, and then get the beam, extend it out and stick the beam in place with the wooden slats, and this is what you end up with: a nice double bed widthways across your Fiat Ducato, Citroen Relay or Peugeot Boxer van. I wish it only took me 3 minutes, but yeah, it was probably an hour. Not too bad. Like and subscribe.